Resetting a Hisense TV without a remote control.
Welcome to this handy guide on resetting your Hisense TV, even when you've lost the remote control. Losing the remote is a common issue and can be very frustrating, especially when you need to make adjustments to your TV settings. Fortunately, Hisense TVs are designed to be user-friendly and you can still access your TV settings directly from the TV itself. We'll walk you through the process.
Why might you need to reset your Hisense TV?
There can be several reasons to reset your Hisense TV. Some common reasons include faulty settings, technical glitches, or if you're planning to sell or give away the TV. A factory reset can help resolve many of these issues by restoring the TV to its original settings. It's important to note, however, that a reset will erase all your personal settings and preferences.
How to locate the control buttons on your Hisense TV.
First, you'll need to locate the control buttons on your Hisense TV. These buttons are typically found on the lower right corner or along the right side of the TV, depending on the model. They allow you to navigate the TV menus, select options, and adjust settings without the need for a remote.
Navigating to the reset option.
Turn on your Hisense TV using the power button. Once it's on, press the menu button to bring up the on-screen menu. Use the volume up and down buttons to navigate through the menu options. Look for the Settings or System option and select it. In the Settings or System menu, navigate to the Reset or Factory Reset option. You'll probably find this under an option like Advanced Settings, but it can vary depending on the model.
Performing the reset.
Once you've located the reset option, select it. You'll likely be asked to confirm that you want to reset your TV to its factory settings. Confirm this, and your TV will begin the reset process. This process may take a few minutes, so be patient. Remember, a factory reset will erase all of your personal settings and preferences. This includes things like your preferred picture and sound settings, any Wi-Fi connections, and any channels you've saved. And that's how you reset your Hisense TV without a remote control. We hope you found this guide helpful. It's always a bit of a hassle when you lose the remote, but as you've seen, there are still ways to adjust your TV's settings directly. Happy viewing!